Dear students, in this class or in this video, we'll discuss how to design or how to generate a 2's complement of the 4 variable input. So now you need to know what is a 2's complement. 1's complement is revert the input. Like if you have 1, write 0 in place of that. If you have 0, write 1 in place of that. So negation of the number is the 1's complement. So for example, I just consider this 0, 1, 0, 1 condition. So 0, 1, 0, 1. What is the 1's complement of this 0, 1, 0, 1? It is 1, 0, 1, 0. It's the 1's complement. So this is the number. This is the 1's complement of the number. So now we need to write what is 2's complement. So add 1 to this. So that will be the 2's complement of the number. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. Then 1, 0, 1. That is how you're going to do the 2's complement of the number. So in this problem, it's been asked to generate 2's complement of a 4 variable. So the input is a 4 variable. I've considered your ABCD. So when there are 4 variables, it is 2 power 4, 16 combinations. Write down all the 16 combinations in a sequence, 0 to 15. Now we need to write the 2's complement. In order to write the 2's complement, I've just named it as WXYZ. So now find the 2's complement of this. 1's complement of this is all 4 ones, correct? All 4 ones is the 1's complement of all 4 zeros. So now in order to get a 2's complement, add 1 to this. When we add 1 to this, it is 1 plus 1, 0. 1 carry, we get it, right? So because it is 2, 1 plus 1, it is 2. Since it is a binary addition, we are not going to write it as 2. It is 1, 0. So 0 here, 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, it is again 1, 0. So 0 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 0 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 0 here, 1 carry. Since it's been asked with 4 variable, so right now I've not considered this carry bit. I've just written only these 4 zeros over here. Similarly, you do it for remaining all these 15 numbers, remaining 15 numbers. So here if it is 1's complement, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 1, 0 it's supposed to be. Since we need to add 1 to that, so here also 1. So similarly, 0, 0, 1, 0. 1's complement is 1, 1, 0, 1. Since we are adding 1 to this, 1, 1 becomes 0. 1 carry. Here it was 0. Now it is 1. These two are already been 1, 1. So we written. So I hope with this you can able to understand how to write the 2's complement of the number. Once you complete the 2's complement, similarly how we discussed in the previous videos, how to do the summation terms, scan through each of this. So see wherever it is 1, write that equivalent min term. So for example, for W, it is summation M of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the min terms. Similarly, write it for the X, Y and Z. Simplify the problem using K-map and realize the circuit. Since it's not been specified what gates to be used, you're free enough to use any gates. If the question demands NAND only or using basic gates or using only NOR gates, then you have to realize using only that particular gate. So here we'll just solve with one exam problem. It's been given in July 2019. It's available in the question paper as well. It's been uploaded in the site. You can refer to it. It is question number 4A over there. So there are 4 adjacent parking lots in mall. So where the parking each lots is equipped with sensors whose output is asserted I when a car is occupying the slot. Write a truth table so that the output is high if 2 or more vacant parking is available. So very important thing is what is this? Carefully you should observe. So there are 4 parking slots. So it's been equipped with the sensors. So whenever there is a sensor when the car is being parked, so the output will be high in that slot, it means that that location has been occupied with a car. That's what it's been talking about. So now we need to write the truth table so that the output is high if 2 or more vacant parking is available. So since it is a 4, so I've written 4 inputs, A, B, C, D are the 4 parking lots. So it's when it is 4, 8, 16 combinations, 4 zeros to 4 ones, you write all 4 zeros to 4 ones, all combinations. Wherever it is 1, it means that area has been occupied with a car. So wherever it is 0, it means it is a vacant, because that's what been given here, with the sensor whose output is asserted high when a car is occupying the slot. So wherever it is 1, it means the car has been occupied the slot. Now we need to write the truth table. Output is high if 2 or more vacant parking is available. So output will be high when there are 2 or more parking is available. 0 indicates parking available. So since there are 4 zeros, it is a 1. If there are 3 zeros, it is 1. 2 zeros also, it is 1. But here it's 3 zeros. When it is single zero, output is 0 because only one parking lot is available. So except that single zero, rest all you fill it with high. So in the last, it is no zeros. Here 1 0, so 0. Here only 1 0, 0. So then wherever it is 1 0, write it 0. Otherwise, you write it with 1. And then similarly, write on the main terms of all this. So it is, so in this question, it demands write the truth table. So truth table has been done. Find the expression of the system that will signal the existence of 2 or more vacant slot. What is the expression? This main terms for all these content of the y. Y is equal to f of a, b, c, d is equal to summation m of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. So this is the expression. This is the answer for the second question here. Then next, simplify the expression. So you need to simplify this. Using what technique has not been specified here. You are free enough to use this technique. The technique should be either K-map or Quine-McCluskey. You can't use the Boolean algebra or the De Morgan's law, whatever you learned in the previous syllabus or previous year. Then next, draw the logic diagram for simplified expression. Whatever you simplify it, you need to draw the diagram. Again, it's not been specified what has to be used to realize the circuit. You can use basic gates, you can use universal gates, it's up to you. So with this, I'll wind up this video. Thank you.